Hey guys, what's up? We're at Little Washington, Goose Creek State Park. Today we're gonna do another Premi Pan of red snapper, red beans and rice. Let's go. At the end of every fire video, guys, I'm hot, I'm sweaty, and I'm ready to eat. The beans and rice turned out great. I was scared to cook rice on the fire because it's sticky, but the red snapper is so flavorful. The weather has been perfect. It's been such a beautiful day, and the food turned out. Check in next time.